All right, new sump pump day. We took it out the easy way and just cut it. But yeah, this thing was probably made to just sell the house. Probably it's about 8 years old as far as I know. But the ball wasn't, and the float wasn't really sticking right. I'll put a link to the one we got below. 1 horsepower. This is probably half. I don't know. But it's a different type of float. I don't like this because they just don't seem to work. The new one comes on now, ready to put like 1 million cycles, so that's good. But dang, the way they put this thing in is really bad. Fortunately, the piping lined up with the new one. That might be standard for all I know, but oh geez, dude. I shouldn't get beat up putting in a sump pump, but we have had a little bit of flooding. Well, wet, not really flooding in the basement, but maybe a 1/4 inch at 1 1/4. So I got pumps in there and just back up. So I've been using this one over here as a backup, and like I said, it's got the float. It works fine, but it wants a higher wire level. So excuse me. So I went ahead and swapped it out and put the right one in. There's nothing more permanent than a temporary solution that works, and it's worked for a couple of years. So I just threw that down in there one storm night, hooked a hose to it. Actually over here. Whew. There was a hose. I always had to worry about hitting lawnmower, went through there. The boards needed to be replaced, they rotted out. That snake, no, it's stick good. And then I just covered up the outlet for right now, but it's got a waterproof cover on there, but I have a smart plug on there so I can tell if it's on or not, and the manager how much power, so it holds it up a little bit. So I just put that on there for rain cover for right now, but we're all done now. Not enough to worry about it for a couple years. So, but I mean, if you look at this, there's all kinds of stuff in there. This is down the bottom, you couldn't see, but all the sticks got in. It's probably from over here. This drain goes to it. The gutters from the house go through this. Like they let out here, and they go out to the sump pump right over there. Which, you know, I got to replace those boards that rotted. But I'll do it right when the time comes. Not now, but soon. But yeah, I didn't know this thing was this bad. All I would see is this. Oh, it looks okay, right? Nope. I don't even know what brand it is or anything, so. Normally I'd say, oh, let's save this and rebuild it, but if it's not good enough now, it won't be good enough in emergency. Plus I gotta back up one of these if I ever need it, so I like 2 of those and different flood controls and everything else. I did a lot of this before I had the gutters put in on the house, and now we got gutters, we're good. So, all right, guys, NCP. I'm gonna go have a soak in the hot tub. You guys have a good one. See you out.